All right, what's going on, everybody? Rough morning for me. Um, for my strategy, the price action was a little bit tricky, but of course, in hindsight, there's a lot of areas that I could have taken advantage of that makes a lot of sense. Like right here. Well, basically, I didn't get a proper signal at this area here, so I missed that move there. But if I would have if I would have only been looking at price action and how it related to the moving averages, that would have been a good place to go along there. Once we opened up, I saw that we opened up really volatile, and I was looking at a 4 minute chart. So, there were a lot more wicks candles with a lot of wicks in like the first I think it was like 15 to 20 minutes of the open. So I realized from big as soon as the bell run that we were going to be choppy for a while in the open, like in the first at least hour of the open, and that's what happened. You see, we bounced around here until about 10:20, 10:30 ish, and then we had this nice little run here, and then the market slowed down again, and basically for me, that caused me. Well, I lost focus, and I saw it turn it over here, so I looked away, and I gotta stop. I gotta remember to stop looking away when I think the price is gonna not give me a proper entry or signal or whatever, because this would have been another area that I could have got in. It looks a little different on the 4 minute chart, which is what I've been trading on. But this would have been a really good entry, and I could have taken advantage of this move here as well. I even had another opportunity to get in based off that first. Matter of fact, let me see if I can bring up the 4 minute chart. Okay, so based off of this channel, this is a really strong shave top candle. I could have went ahead and placed the order here, but I was a little hesitant, so I didn't do it. So I didn't do it, and I ended up missing this second run here, which would have given me, and this run has went up. Let's see. I would have hit target there. So, a little bit frustrating in my trading today. It's really today I can't really blame the market, even though it was kind of tricky for my strategy in this area here and even right here. But because we had this strong resting period here, and this was coming into the high of the day. I'm looking over at Sierra chart at the yeah, that was the high of the day because I marked that off there. So I knew we were going to have resistance here, and I was seeing the resistance. So I was actually waiting for a pullback, and it's really strange that once we got the pullback, I stopped looking. I don't know why I stopped looking when we finally got what I was waiting for. But before that, I actually did take a scalp on this move here. Like I said, I knew we were coming up into the high of the day and into some resistance. So once I saw it, I got in, I got triggered in. I watched it move up, and I didn't like the price action, and knowing that we were at that area of resistance. So I went ahead and took myself out of the trade for like a 5 tick scalp. And I was waiting for a pullback. We kept trying to climb higher right here, but I felt like that was just a bull trap. So, and I was waiting for that pullback, and then once it started to finally pull back and roll, bearish, finally got the pullback. For some odd reason, I stopped paying attention to the charts, and then you see I missed that nice little move. Once I looked back at the charts, we were already past where I would have gotten in, where I would have wanted to get in, and I didn't want to chase it or anything, so I went ahead and I missed that move basically, and then like I said, I could have gotten in right there. So I'm a little frustrated, in myself, with how far we've already climbed for today. There's a good chance that this is going to be a day where there's only a move, like a main move in the morning session. We're already up 1.3 0.9%. So, you know, going up to 1.5%. So there's a good chance in the afternoon that we kind of, the momentum slows down a little bit, and we pretty much have a day like Friday. You know, like we can keep climbing higher, but it'll be a really slow bullish move. So that was in my live account. So right now I'm green $25. You know, it's nothing to scream at, but at least I am green. I didn't really pay too much attention to TST today, but other than some bad trades that I took, you know, just being aggressive and quote unquote scratching the itch. So, and I let those moves, the same play that I took for that scalp in my live account, I took it here, but I just, instead of going flat, I just let it play out. And you know, that was my second loser for this. But you know, this is only, you know, this is not even eligible to get funded. It's just paper trading, so I'm not that concerned about this one. So anyway, that was my day for today, and more than likely I will be done for the day. I'll keep watching it into the afternoon. If something interesting comes up, you know, I'll be looking. I'll look to see if there's any good plays to take, but more than likely I don't think there will be. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.